everyone and welcome to an episode of Sailing for Lupia. We've changed our channel name now for obvious reasons. We're not Squire's Lady anymore, we've got a different boat, so we're going to go with this from now on. So we've made a really big decision the last few days. We've decided that we're going to move onto our boat full time. So the next couple of weeks is going to be a mixture of selling up and moving out of the house that we rent down in Cornwall and moving onto the boat full time. It was always our plan anyway when Rob retires from the Navy, but we just thought we've got this boat here now, so why not do it? So we're really excited. So our plans for that is going to be, we're going to move on board and then we're going to take the boat and sail it up to Middlesbrough, because that's where Rob's going to be based for a good few months now. And in that plan we're thinking that we're going to go to places like Dartmouth, Weymouth, Portsmouth, you see Dover as well, Dover. And then obviously once we get round there we go straight up north, and then we'll be up north for a little while, which is great.
Because I'm still in work and still in the military, I've still got a few years left before I retire. While we're living on board, we're just going to live in marinas for ease of life, and because we've got money coming in with work, we've still got an awful lot of jobs we have to do before we can move on board. We've got to fit a fridge compressor because the old one that was on board when we bought the boat was broke. Need to change the engine mounts. We're having a check on them the other day, and they're completely rusted and they're enough gone. We need to do a little bit more varnishing, just finish off varnishing some places on the boat before we move on, and need to probably a revamp of all the nav equipment we've got on board. Need to sort out the electrics. We've got a problem where the 230 electric comes in. I'll show you that in a minute.
So we're really excited for a new chapter and just a new adventure, really. It's something different and we're both really looking forward to it.
So what we'll do is in the summertime we'll spend a lot of our time between the boat and our camper van that we've done. We bought a Peugeot Boxer panel van a few years back, and we've done a conversion to make that into a camper van. At some point we'll do a video showing you around that. Once we've moved on board and we're all sorted, we'll do a boat tour.
So once we're all moved on and we've set off to Middlesbrough, we're going to stop off in a few places. We're going to stop off in Plymouth, Dartmouth, and another one is Lulworth Cove. Here's some pictures.
I've been lost in my own mind. Been trying to play it cool for a long time, but lately something's been taking over. I think I'm due for some divine. Yeah. Maybe I'm crazy, or maybe I'm something else. Day after day, it's been the same, starting to lose myself, but either way I go. Maybe I'm out my mind. Cause reality can be the bane of existence. Let me cut you down from that noose made of all lies. It's gonna hurt when you fall, but I promise you'll be alright. Alright, alright. Maybe I'm crazy, or maybe I'm something else. Day after day, it's been the same, starting to lose myself. But either way I go, I glow, I glow, I glow. Maybe I'm out my mind, but I really like it. So baby, won't you cross the line? Falling crazy and alive.
Here's one of the engine mounts that Rob removed earlier on today, and you can see how corroded it is. So while we're moving on board, the boat is nicely tucked away in Falmouth Premier Marina, away from these February storms.
So one of the things we spotted the other day is the electric popped on the jetty, just to make sure that when our fuse box, started looking around for our fuse box, and we discovered there wasn't any. So it just goes out the window, it comes in, goes down there, and you can see it connects there, and it just goes straight into the wall. So in theory, if we take that orange plug out and then touch both ends, we're going to get a 230 volt lecky shock, which is quite dangerous. So one of the jobs I'm going to do in the next couple of days is to fit a fuse box. So I'm going to take that out there in the cupboard behind it and stick a fuse box in there and have it so it's safe